Welcome to our channel Upscale Learning.
Hello everyone. In this video, let's write a short story, and the title of the story is Unity is Strength. Come, let's start writing. Five cows lived in a little forest. They were all good friends. They all lived together. Hence, lions couldn't attack them for food. Please give small space between each another. There are two different words. One day, all five cows fought with each other and started eating grass at different places. And the lion got an opportunity and killed them one by one. What did you learn from this story? We learned that unity is strength. That means if you stay together, no enemy can attack you. But if we fight with each other and stay alone, then it's easy for an enemy to attack and kill us.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.